Hi again, welcome to this short demonstration for changing values, that is content and metadata in Thread. As you can see, I have a personal folder bells and whistles here. Let's zoom into that folder. Here it is. As you know, with the zoom you can see different categories of documents as well in my zoomed area, but that was not my focus. I wanted to show you how we can change values and information. Let's first change metadata. As you can see here, I have a customer name, but I can change that, and I will have type ahead in Thread, which is nice. There it is. I'm happy with that value. I can also change the type of a document. You can see, of course, if I change the invoice type, I get much more numbers. We give in a reference here, doesn't matter too much. I can change values. I have already supplier name, but imagine I would like to add a project name here. So I can just select that. I have a project name, archival. Why not? Save that value. So that's how I can change the metadata for a single document. If I want to change the name of a document, I can just click into it. That's fine. On draft. Spec. Let's say I can also, let's say this document is also on draft. This is on draft. As you can see, I've selected multiple documents. I get a adapted screen. I can edit the metadata. These are all the same, but here draft, save the value, and it's, you can see customer name is on draft, customer name is on draft. It's multi-changed. Now let's change the content of a document. I'm going to enable versioning on this document. Let's take it, let's modify it. Here is a document. Well, what do we want to change? You want to see a change. We're saving that. We can just update the main document. As you can see, you want to see that change. We can decide to make it a minor version. I can look at the version history. Here it is, that was the last one. And interestingly enough, I can even compare the versions. Word is opened with the changes. And here, that was indeed what I changed. So this is a handy facility to show you the changes in content. Those are the versions, those are the metadata. That's what we wanted to show.